there'll be an update where Tilted Towers gets flooded, and here it is. This picture is in the files of the game. Just prove to you that Tilted Towers will get flooded. Can't believe I'm saying these words right now. Yo, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Here I'm Jimmy, and yeah, today, there have been 2 new leaks. Now, you already know about the revolver getting removed, and the remote explosives are now epic rarity, and there'll be a new blue rarity dual pistol and a blue rarity suppressed pistol, and we've got 2 new leaks. And the first one is that Tilted Towers might get flooded. Now, people speculate this. They thought that maybe something on Tilted Towers that will cause a crack in the lake, then Tilted Towers will get other things. There's a lot of these like streams about it was like getting removed. No, that's not true whatsoever. And there's also still theories going around like that might get it. Now, there is actually a picture that's going viral on Reddit, and it's been taken in. So basically, this person basically hacked the game and basically went to the game files and basically transferred the game files basically into the game. And I'm going to show a picture up on screen about what it will look like. Maybe the V5.4 update. I'm not lying about it. I mean, I think you know huge news, so I'll put a picture on the screen now. Basically, that was taken in files, and that is what it's going to look like. Tilted Towers will get flooded. Can't believe I'm saying this, dude. Okay, so you see Tilted Towers right there, flooded. Don't know what to say, man. I just want to make this into a YouTube video, pretty well rounded up one. And yeah, we have another big news coming soon. Basically, we want to have a new one. Now, you're probably thinking, dude, this isn't fake, what you're about to say. Guess what? This is not not gonna be fake, but we might be seeing the golden llama. Now, I might make a separate video of this to explain more. Basically, in the dev update video on the Fortnite YT channel, they basically said they're gonna buff the llama. That doesn't mean they're gonna like put like 100 brick or 50 brick. Buff means basically they're gonna make it bigger. Maybe we're gonna return to 500 or maybe 999 wood in the near future. But definitely in the V5.4 they're gonna add in golden llamas. Which means if you find maybe llamas will be common and gold llamas will be like very rare or something. That's definitely an idea I would do. That's just like a concept that someone posted on Reddit. It's blowing up on Reddit, and then if you don't have Reddit, you've probably not seen it, but yeah. Right, next up we have the cube, and now it might be on Tilted Towers. This might be because of the flood. It would make sense if the cube like goes between Loot Lake and Tilted. It'll cause the crack, and then the flooding will be inside there. So it's definitely the flood will happen. It's in the game file. We showed you the picture, and I don't think I can get hold of some gameplay. If I do, I'll be sure to post it on the YouTube channel. But I can't wait for the V5.0 patch update. I can't wait for it because it's going to come out Tuesday 2 AM UTC time, and 1 AM Eastern. So you better get ready for this. So basically that probably means that if you get destroyed by Tiller, then there'll be a massive flood. Maybe Tomorrowhead has something to do, maybe he's controlling the cube, or the Enforcer come back to arrest the police and the visitor, and like they're working for the Tomorrowhead. Who knows? It's even a crazy story on Zero Form. Make sure you smash that like button. And make sure you go check out Logan Paul shop / I don't know how to do it. Like Logan, how'd you do it? Of course, there's an unboxing video on YouTube. No wonder. And make sure you smash that like button and turn on those notifications by subscribing to the channel. And if you subscribe to me, I'll subscribe to you. And if you're like looking, if you have 99 subscribers and you're looking for that final one and you have no friends, then you're gonna have to subscribe to me and I'll subscribe to you. And if you have no subscribers and you want that first subscriber, make sure you subscribe to me so I'll subscribe to you. If you're looking for a million subscriber and no one else is bothering to subscribe to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to me and I'll subscribe to you. If you've got 99 million subscribers, you're looking for 100 million subscribers, subscribe to me. If you got a billion, if you're on okay, I'll stop. If you're on, okay, I'll stop now. Make sure to smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.